Chapter 2. Operations on large numbers. This election, 34,45,781 men and 25,41,278 are casting their votes. How many votes will be cast in this election in total? 34,45,781 plus 25,41,278 is equal to 59,87,059 votes may be cast in this election. Addition of large numbers. Addition of large numbers is the same as the addition of smaller numbers. Start adding from ones place and regroup if necessary. Addition of 7-digit and 8-digit numbers. Mr. Gautam has 26,90,750 rupees in his bank account. His wife has rupees 2,96,550 in her bank account. And his son has 9,558 rupees in his bank account. How much money do they have in all? To find that, we have to add the three amounts. Each number to be added in an addition sum is called addend. In an addition operation, we can have 2, 3, 4 or many more addends. The answer to an addition is called sum. In the above example, 29,96,858 is the sum of 26,90,750, 2,96,550 and 9,558. To find the sum of large numbers, we follow the steps given below. Step 1. Arrange the addends in column form. Step 2. Start adding from the ones column, then move to tens and so on. Step 3. Regroup if required. Example. Add 8 crore 22 lakhs 75,747, 2 lakhs 49,604 and 5 lakhs 27,947. Solution. Write the addends in columns under the correct places. C, TL, L, TTH, TH, H, T, O. 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. 8 crores 22 lakhs 75,747, 2 lakhs 49,604, 5 lakhs 27,947. Addends. Plus 8 crores 30 lakhs 53,298. Sum. Answer. 8 crores 30 lakhs 53,298. Properties of addition. 1. Order property. When the order of the addends is changed, the sum remains the same. For example, 17,350 plus 13,840 is equal to 31,190 and 13,840 plus 17,350 is equal to 31,190. 2. Zero property. The sum of 0 and the number is the number itself. For example, 85,860 plus 0 is equal to 85,860. 2 crores 98 lakhs 88,802 plus 0 is equal to 2 crores 98 lakhs 88,802. 3. Grouping property. Even if the grouping of addends is changed, the sum remains the same. For example, in brackets, 950 plus 8,43,000, bracket closed, plus 1,350 is equal to 85,250 plus 1,350 is equal to 86,600. In brackets, 1,350 plus 950, bracket closed, plus 84,300 is equal to 2,300 plus 84,300 is equal to 86,600. 84,300 plus 1,350 plus 950 is equal to 85,650 plus 950 is equal to 86,600. Subtraction of large numbers. You have learned how to subtract 5 and 6 digits in class 4th. Subtraction of higher number is done in the same way. Subtraction of 7-digit and 8-digit numbers. The population of a town is 40 lakhs. Out of these, 27,79,390 are males. How many females are there in the town? Here, we need to find the difference of the two numbers, so we have to subtract. To subtract large numbers, we follow the steps given below. Step 1. Arrange the minuend and the subtrahend in column form. Step 2. Start subtraction from the ones column. Regroup the digits if needed. Then move to the tens column and so on. Arrange the numbers in columns by writing the greater number above the smaller number. TL, L, TTH, TH, H, T, 0. 40 lakhs minus 27 lakhs 79,390. 12 lakhs 20,610. Answer. There are 12 lakhs 20,610 females in the town. Remember to regroup numbers if required. Properties of subtraction. 1. The order of numbers involved in subtraction cannot be changed. For example, 9,375 minus 1,400. 1,400 minus 9,375. Right. Wrong. 2. When a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. For example, 56,245 minus 56,245 is equal to 0. 8,46,502 minus 8,46,502 is equal to 0. 3. When the minuend and the subtracted are the same, the difference is 0. For example, 7,489 minus 7,489 is equal to 0. 4. When 0 is subtracted from the number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 86,356 minus 0 is equal to 86,356. 8,540 minus 0 is equal to 8,540. Checking subtraction. We can check whether the subtraction done is correct or not by using addition. To do so, we add the difference obtained and the subtrahend. If the sum comes equal to the minuend, the subtraction is correct. Otherwise, there is a mistake in the calculation. Example, subtract 45,30,890 from 6 crores 24 lakhs 32,387 and check your answer. Solution: C, T, L, L, T, T, H, T, H, H, T, O. 624,32387 minus 4530890. C, T, L, L, T, T, H, T, H, H, T, O. 5 crores 79 lakhs 1,497 plus 45 lakhs 30,890. 6 crores 24 lakhs 32,387. Answer: 5 crores 79 lakhs 1,497. Multiplication of large numbers. We have already learnt the multiplication of 3-digit numbers by a 1-digit number and the multiplication of 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Let us now learn the multiplication of 4-digit numbers. Multiplying large numbers by a 2-digit numbers. Example 1. Multiply 10,886 by 86. Solution: writing 86 in extended form, we get 86 is equal to 80 plus 6. First, multiply 10,886 by 6 ones and then by 8 tens. Next, add the two products to get the final product. Step 1. 10,886 into 6 ones. 65,316 ones. 65,316 ones is equal to 65,316. Step 2. 10,886 into 8 tens. 87,088 tens. 87,088 tens is equal to 8,77,880. Step 3. 65,316 plus 8,70,880. 9,36,196. Add the two products. Answer: 10,886 into 86 is equal to 9,36,196. Example 2. Find 62,328 into 97. Solution: 62,328 into 97. 97 is equal to 90 plus 7. 4,36,296. 62,328 into 7. 56,09,520. 62,328 into 90. 60,45,816. Add. Answer: 62,328 into 97 is equal to 60,45,816. Remember to follow steps in order. Multiplying large numbers by a 3-digit number. Example 3. Find 48,954 into 352. Solution: expand 352 is equal to 300 plus 50 plus 2. First, multiply 48,954 by 2 ones, then by 5 tens, and lastly by 3 hundreds. Add all the three products to get the final product. Step 1. 48,954 into 2 ones. 97,908 ones. 97,908 ones is equal to 97,908. Step 2. 48,954 into 5 tens. 2,44,770 tens. Add the products. 24,477 tens is equal to 24,47,700. Step 3. 48,954, 1,46,862 hundredths. 1,46,862 hundredths is equal to 1,46,86,200. Step 4. 97,908, 24,47,700 plus 1,46,86,200. 1,72,31,808. Answer. 48,954 into 352 is equal to 1,72,31,808. Example 4. Find 4,429 into 532. Solution. 4,429 into 532. 500 plus 30 plus 2. 8,858. 4,429 into 2. 1,32,870. 4,429 into 30. 2 crores 21 lakhs 45,000. 4,429 into 500. 23 lakhs 56,228. Answer. 4,429 into 532 is equal to 23 lakhs 56,228. Properties of multiplication. 1. The product does not change even if the order changes. For example, 243 into 535 is equal to 1,30,005 and 535 into 243 is equal to 1,30,005. 243 into 535 is equal to 535 into 243. 2. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. For example, 53,897 into 1 is equal to 53,897 and 65,942 into 1 is equal to 65,942. 3. The product of a number and 0 is 0. For example, 37,967 into 0 is equal to 0 and 0 into 44,567 is equal to 0. 4. Even if the grouping of numbers is changed, the product remains the same. For example, 3,346 into 3 into 6 is equal to 3,346 into 3 into 6 in brackets is equal to brackets 3,346 into 6 bracket closed into 3 is equal to 60,228. Multiplication by multipliers ending with 0. Let us recall. 1. A number when multiplied by 1 gives the number itself. For example, 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 2. When a number is multiplied by 10, we put a 0 to the right of the multiplicand to get the product. For example, 9 into 10 is equal to 90. 3. In general, when we multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000, etc., we put as many zeros to the right of the multiplicand as there are zeros in the multiplier. For example, 9 into 100 is equal to 900. 9 into 1000 is equal to 9000. 4. Multiplication of multipliers ending in zeros can be done mentally. Example 1. Multiply 70 and 50 mentally. Solution. Step 1. Multiply the non-zero digits. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Step 2. Then put as many zeros as there are in both the multiplicand and multiplier. 70, 10 into 50, 10 is equal to 3,500, 2 zeros. Example 2. Find 60 into 30 into 90. Solution. First, multiply the non-zero digits. 6 into 3 into 9 is equal to 162. Put as many zeros as there are in all the numbers. Therefore, 60 into 30 into 90 is equal to 1,62,000. Example 3. Multiply 215 by 300 mentally. Solution. Step 1. First, multiply 215 into 3 is equal to 645. Step 2. Put as many zeros as there are in the numbers. Therefore, 215 into 300 is equal to 64,500. Division of large numbers. Large numbers are divided in the same way as smaller numbers. A farmer had 7,495 apples. If 50 apples were packed in each box and remaining were kept for the household, then how many boxes were made? Divisor 50. Quotient 149. Dividend 7,495 minus 50. 249 minus 200. 495 minus 450. 45 remainder. Answer. Total number of boxes was 149 and 45 apples were left for the household. Division by 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Example 1. Divide 75,998 by 36 and check your answer. Solution. 75,998 divided by 36 minus 72, 39 minus 36, 39 minus 36, 38 minus 36, 2. Answer. Quotient is equal to 2,111. Remainder is equal to 2. Check. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. 2,111 into 36 plus 2 is equal to what? 2,111 into 36, 12,666 plus 63,330, 75,996. 75,996 plus 2 is equal to 75,998. Example 2. Divide 8,25,376 by 376. Solution. 8,25,376 divided by 376 minus 752, 733 minus 376, 3,577 minus 3,384, 1,936, 1,880, 56. Answer. Quotient is equal to 2,195. Remainder is equal to 56. Check. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. 2,195 into 376 plus 56 is equal to what? 2,195 into 376. 13,170. 1,53,650. 6,58,500. 8,25,320. 8,25,320 plus 56 is equal to 8,25,376. Properties of division. 1. If we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, 396 divided by 1 is equal to 396. 2. If we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, 396 divided by 396 is equal to 1. 3. If we divide 0 by a number, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 416 is equal to 0. 4. Dividing a number by 0 is meaningless. Simplification. Let's read the statements and fill in the blanks using sign. Fill in the blanks. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. A. In a school, there are 4,674 boys and 3,694 girls. To find the total number of students in the school, we will dash. There are dash students in the school. B. There are 450 pencils in a box. Mr. Khan has to pack the pencils in 15 small boxes. To find out the number of pencils he can pack in each box, we will dash. There will be dash pencils in each of the 15 boxes. C. Suresh bought 45 balls, each ball costing rupees 75. To find the cost of all the balls, we will dash. All the 45 balls cost rupees dash. D. In a garden, there are 7,000 red and black roses. Out of these, 5,346 are red roses. To find the number of black roses, we will dash. There are dash black roses. Simplification of number expression. Simplification rule. 1. Division. D. 2. Multiplication. M. 3. Addition. A. 4. Subtraction. To solve, first divide, then multiply, next add, and finally subtract. Let us take some examples to understand it better. Example 1. Simplify 92 minus 8 into 9 plus 6 divided by 2. Solution. 92 minus 8 into 9 plus 6 divided by 2. Divide 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Is equal to 92 minus 8 into 9 plus 3. Multiply. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. Is equal to 92 plus 3 minus 72. Add 92 plus 3 is equal to 95. Is equal to 95 minus 72. Subtract 95 minus 72 is equal to 23. Answer 23. Example 2. Simplify 30 into 2 plus 21 divided by 3 minus 48. Solution. 30 into 2 plus 21 divided by 3 minus 48. Divide. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Is equal to 30 into 2 plus 7 minus 48. Multiply. 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Is equal to 60 plus 7 minus 48. Add 60 plus 7 is equal to 67. Is equal to 67 minus 48. Subtract. 67 minus 48 is equal to 19. Answer 19. Example 3. Simplify 15 plus 27 divided by 3 minus 1 into 4. Solution. 15 plus 27 divided by 3 minus 1 into 4. Divide. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. Is equal to 15 plus 9 minus 1 into 4. Multiply. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 15 plus 9 minus 4. Add 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Is equal to 24 minus 4. Subtract. 24 minus 4 is equal to 20. Answer 20. Use of brackets. Brackets are useful in simplification involving two or more operations. They tell us which part of the sum is to be solved first. Example 1. Simplify 25 plus 18 divided by 3 into brackets 6 minus 4 bracket closed. Solution. 25 plus 18 divided by 3 into brackets 6 minus 4 bracket closed is equal to 25 plus 18 divided by 3 into 2 is equal to 25 plus 6 into 2 is equal to 25 plus 12 is equal to 37. Answer 37. Solve the operation within the bracket first. Observe that a change in the placement of the bracket changes the result of the mathematical operation. We use 4 kinds of brackets which are to be simplified in the same order. 1. Dash. This is a line bracket or vinculum which is drawn above the numbers grouped under it. For example, 8 divided by 3 minus 1. 2. Round bracket. For example, 9 minus 4. 3. Curly bracket or double bracket. For example, curly bracket 7 minus round bracket 5 minus 5. Round bracket closed, curly bracket closed. 4. Square bracket. For example, 7 divided by square bracket 4 minus curly bracket 3 minus round bracket 6 minus 5. Round bracket closed, curly bracket closed, square bracket closed. Use of off. 4 packets of 10 balloons each. Here, 4 packets of 10 balloons each can be easily written as 4 of 10. 4 of 10 is equal to 4 into 10 is equal to 40. 4 of 10 is simply a way of describing the number 40. It is not a mathematical operation between 4 and 10. Thus, when 2 or more than 2 operations are present, we use a basic rule to simplify. BODMAS rule. B. 1. Brackets. Solve all operations within the brackets first. O. 2. Of. Multiply the two numbers containing of. D. 3. Division. Solve division. M. 4. Multiplication. Solve multiplication. A. 5. Addition. Solve addition. S. 6. Subtraction. Solve subtraction. Example 2. Simplify. Square bracket 9 minus curly bracket, round bracket 2 divided by 3, vinculum, round bracket closed, into 5 minus 7 curly bracket closed, plus 8 square bracket closed. Solution. Simplifying brackets, we get square bracket 9 minus curly bracket, round bracket 2 divided by 3, vinculum, round bracket closed, into 5 minus 7 curly bracket closed, plus 8 square bracket closed is equal to square bracket 9 minus curly bracket, round bracket 2 divided by 1, round bracket closed, into 5 minus 7 curly bracket closed, plus 8 square bracket closed. Solving vinculum is equal to square bracket 9 minus curly bracket 2 into 5 minus 7 curly bracket closed plus 8 square bracket closed. Solving round bracket is equal to square bracket 9 minus curly bracket 10 minus 7 curly bracket closed plus 8 square bracket closed is equal to square bracket 9 minus 3 plus 8 square bracket closed. Solving curly bracket is equal to square bracket 9 minus 3 plus 8 square bracket closed is equal to square bracket 17 minus 3 square bracket closed. Solving square bracket is equal to 14. Answer 14. Example 3. Square bracket 4 plus curly bracket 5 divided by 2 plus 3 vinculum, curly bracket closed, into 6 square bracket closed. Solution. Simplifying brackets, we get square bracket 4 plus curly bracket 5 divided by 2 plus 3 vinculum, curly bracket closed, into 6 square bracket closed is equal to square bracket 4 plus curly bracket 5 divided by 5 curly bracket closed into 6 square bracket closed. Solving vinculum is equal to square bracket 4 plus 1 into 6 square bracket closed is equal to square bracket 4 plus 6 square bracket closed. Solving curly square bracket is equal to 10. Answer 10. Example 4. Simplifying using BODMAS rule. 34 plus curly bracket, round bracket, 9 divided by 3 minus 1, round bracket closed, plus 4 curly bracket closed, divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Solution is equal to 34 plus curly bracket, round bracket 3 minus 1, round bracket closed, plus 4 curly bracket closed, divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Solving round bracket is equal to 34 plus curly bracket 2 plus 4 curly bracket closed, divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Solving curly bracket is equal to 34 plus 6 divided by 3 of 2 minus 3 into 7. Solving of is equal to 34 plus 6 divided by 6 minus 3 into 7. Solving division is equal to 34 plus 1 minus 21. Solving multiplication is equal to 35 minus 21. Solving addition by subtraction is equal to 14. Answer 14.